Hello and welcome back. Let's customize YouTube channel. Go to youtube.com and click on sign in. Log in using the email ID and the password that we created in the previous video. Click on Customize Channel, then you will see the plenty of options available. Here you can upload profile picture and banner image for your channel. You can also upload the Watermark logo that will appear on the bottom right corner of all the videos that you gonna upload on your channel. Here, explore some basic info settings. Here, you can see your channel statistics. All your videos will be displayed here. Click on Analytics to analyze who are watching your videos. Click on Monetization to get money from YouTube. First, you need to update your location. Explore some other settings under the monetization menu. You should have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 views on your video in order to be eligible for YouTube monetization. These are some music which you can download and use for free without any copyright infringement. Alright, did you enjoy watching? Please like, comment, refer and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you in next video.